Hey guys, welcome to Destinations A to Z. My name is Glenn Bailey, your host. This is where we do reviews of RV campgrounds, RVs, and such things that makes your RV lifestyle much better. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. Check it out. We are at Oceanfront Helicopters that's just right off of Kings Highway next to the Myrtle Beach International Airport. Let's zoom in and show you what it looks like on the map. It's very small, but doesn't have to be a big place. Let's go look at the satellite view. As you can see here, it's right off of South Kings Highway. You turn in, they've got plenty of parking, and then you can get your helicopter rides from Oceanfront Helicopters. They actually have a website. Here you see their ratings, 4.6 stars out of 5 with 3,282 reviews. Here you can see their hours, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Website, oceanfrontheli.com. Let's check out the website. So here you go. Yes, you're seeing correctly. They actually do have a $20 helicopter beach tour, believe it or not. Some things about the $20 helicopter is right here. It's talking about it. It's basically a quick tour. It's nothing major. So you actually, I think you'd want to do more. If you scroll down, and it's basically the intro tour, which just takes you over the beach and just brings you right back. The tour that we did today is the North Beach tour. It's only $39.99 a person. You'll get to see that in the video here in just a second. They actually have several tours available though. You got the South Beach tour, it's $45.99. Then you got the Broadway tour, which goes over the coastline and then Broadway at the beach as well, and it's $59.99. Garden City tour, $59.99. And then the Myrtle Beach tour, what they call the Golden Mile, which the houses start at $5 million, is $79.99. Then you have the Apache tour, and the Apache, the reason it's called that is actually where the Apache campground is located at. Which if you come in straight on Highway 22 and come straight in where Super Walmart is, and go in, then that's where you're actually going to be at. That's where Apache Campground is located. Then you have the Inlet Tour, which is $129.99. This is the Ultimate Nature Lovers Tour. And then, of course, the Grand Tour. So that's the everything for $179.99 a person. So when you're booking your flight, make sure to book the one that's most comfortable for you. If you've never been on a helicopter before, I suggest you start off small, but it is absolutely amazing. Very smooth ride, and I suggest obviously that you do it on a great sunny day. You know exactly how to get to it. Here's their website, and you can go on it and check it out. They actually have shows here where their location's at, and you can get to it. It's very simple, like I said. Then it shows their tours. They have 9 options available from which we went through. I'm going to show you a map coming up next that actually shows you the routes they take for each one of the tours, so that way you can kind of get a feel of what it's like. And again, we selected the North Beach tour, which comes up to where the Pavilion used to be on Ocean Boulevard. Fly the sunny skies of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. That's correct. Oceanfront Helicopters, that's their logo. Here you can actually see the map, and each route is color coordinated to the price or tour listed below. You can see the blue starting off the intro flight essentially takes off from where it says all flights start here, and it just makes a big circle and right back down. So it's literally 2 miles, so it's not much. So the North Beach tour is 7 to 8 miles. And it, like I said, it comes up to the Pavilion. It does go over some of the land. It comes up to the Pavilion and turns around and goes back. Then you have the Broadway tour, which actually comes up to Broadway at the beach, turns and goes back. Then you have the yellow tour next, which is the Myrtle Beach tour for $79.99. You can see it goes on up. And then you have the Apache that goes way on up to the Apache campground, turns and comes back. And then you have the Grand Tour, which is the granddaddy of them all, that actually goes on up further. So then they also have the Southern Tours that goes down by Murrells Inlet and Garden City. But this is the biggest education tool, if you will, for the routes they take. So that way you can make the proper choice that you need to make in order to enjoy your flights. Now, let's get on to the flights. Check it out, guys. We are here getting ready to go on a helicopter ride in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and you'll be able to see the footage. Unbelievable. For $39.95, we'll get basically a 10-minute ride up the beach all the way up to where the pavilion used to be, and you'll be able to see that and have a little fun. See you in a few. Guys, check it out. We just got back from the ride. Was that not amazing or what? Oh my gosh. You've got to do it. This is worth every penny. Trust me. And my first time on a helicopter too. Hope you enjoy. Guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for this. Did this, guys, for you. Check them out taking off. There you go. Up they go. Hit that like and subscribe, guys.